Morning dear students, once again. Today we will discuss about past continuous and past perfect continuous tense. In the last video lecture, we were discussing about past indefinite tense and past perfect tense. So what is past continuous and past perfect continuous tense? As I told you, and the definition of past continuous is given here. You can see past continuous tense refers to an action or state that was going on or happening at some point of time given in the past. So past continuous, that any action or any activity that was happening or that was going on in some past time, in some point of time in the past. So in the past there will be a point of time, and in that point of time when any action was in continuous condition, in going on condition, so that is the past continuous. Here the example structure is given here: subject, then helping verb, was verb, main verb first form, ing, and then object for positive sentences. So how will you make the positive sentences? So first the subject and then helping verb was verb. Here one thing you have to keep in mind: was is applied with singular subject and were is applied with plural subject. I, he, she, it. With these subjects we will apply was, and with other plural subjects we will apply were. So suppose he was riding horse. He was riding horse. So he is the singular subject. In that case we will apply was. He was riding horse. He was riding horse. He is the subject. For the singular subject was helping verb, and ride is the first form of the verb and ing, and then horse is the object. And for plural subject we will apply verb. They were playing chess. They were playing chess. So there is the subject, that is the plural subject, third person, and with plural subject were is applied here. Play is the first form of the verb and ing is added to that, and then chess is the object. In this way we can make the sentences of positive sentences of past continuous tense. And how will you make the negative sentences of past continuous tense? So after the helping verb we have to apply not only, and that we will make the sentences. Suppose he was riding horse, then he was not. After the helping verb, not is applied here as in the structure given here. He was not, and then riding horse. Riding horse. That is a negative. And they were not playing chess. They were not. Again here not is applied after the helping verb were playing chess. That is the object. Chess is the object of the sentence. So in this way we can make the positive and negative sentences, and then we will make interrogative and interrogative negative. Here you can see the structure of interrogative and interrogative negative sentences. For past continuous tense, structure to make the interrogative sentence, you can see first of all helping verb was verb is applied, and then subject, and then main verb first form, ing, then object. And here was verb, helping verb, then subject, and then after that we will apply here not plus main verb first form, and then ing, and then object to make interrogative negative. So here helping verb was verb, was is applied for the singular subject, was he, because that is the interrogative. So was helping verb is applied in the first, was, and then subject was he riding horse, riding, ing form, riding, and then object horse, and then question mark. Was he riding horse? That is the interrogative. And how will you make interrogative applying WH words? So what was he riding? Before the helping verb we have to apply WH words to make the interrogative with WH words. And you can see here what was he riding, and then question mark. Or why was he riding horse? Why was he riding horse? In this way we can make interrogative of past continuous tense, and to make interrogative negative of past continuous tense, in the same structure after the helping verb we will apply not, as not is applied here. Was he not riding horse? Then question mark. And they were playing chess. Interrogative of that sentence. Were they playing chess? Were they playing chess? Question mark. Here, were they not playing chess? Were they not playing chess? That is the interrogative negative. Here, helping verb before the subject, that is for interrogation, and not is applied for negation. That is why that is the interrogative and negative. And how will you apply WH words or make interrogative applying WH words? So, why was he not riding horse? Why was, or why was he not riding horse? And then question mark, because that is also interrogative. And then were they not playing chess? Why were they not playing chess? Why were they not playing chess? Question mark. So dear students, in this way we can make the sentences positive, negative, interrogative or interrogative, negative of past continuous tense. I told past continuous tense. What is past continuous? So suppose in past there is a particular time, certain time, and in that time any action was in going on condition. So that is the past continuous. That expresses the past continuous.